What is the 369 manifestation method? The 369 manifestation method is a technique that is said to help people manifest their desires and goals. 3 represents our connection to Source or the universe, and our creative self-expression. 6 represents our inner strength and harmony. 9 represents our inner rebirth, as in letting go of what no longer serves us and changing into who we are becoming. Before getting started, you'll of course want to figure out what exactly it is you want to manifest. Once you're clear on that, it's time to come up with an affirmation. For example, if you wanted to manifest money, your affirmation could be, "I will receive a large sum of money." Here's what you'll do from there. 1. Write down your affirmation 3 times as soon as you wake up in the morning. 2. Write down your affirmation 6 times during the afternoon. 3. Write your affirmation 9 times before you go to bed. Continue to do this until your desired outcome is manifested. See links in bio for suggested 369 manifestation journals. Be sure to subscribe for more tips to optimize your health.